Hi friends, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. In this video we are going to talk about how to install GTA mods on the Epic Games GTA. So that is GTA 5. So in Epic Games GTA, the thing is that we are not able to install the mods on it because it is a bit of a newer version. So the mods are not compatible with it. So actually the thing is that we need to install ScriptHookV. So actually the thing is that some people have created a new version of this mod, not the ScriptHook people. There are some other dedicated team, actually, like them. Very special thanks to them. Because of them we are able to create this ScriptHookV thing, and we are able to install it even on the Epic Games version. So all you need to do is you need to install this ScriptHookV created by the new people. I'll link that down in the video description. So you need to copy those files, unzip it and then just copy it to your GTA 5 folder. Secondly, you need to install this .NET framework of this ScriptHookV. So then just need to copy paste it to your main GTA 5 folder. So then you can even install the whatever mod. I have installed the manual transmission mod where I can use the Logitech G29. So that is how you can get it done. So in case you have any doubts or questions, do mention them in the comment section. It's very simple. You have to just copy paste, extract and copy paste these files to the GTA 5 directory. So big thanks to the people who made this mod for this newer version. Thanks a lot to them. So anyways, if you found this video informative or if you have any doubts in your mind, do mention them down in the comment section. Hope you like the video. Do give it a thumbs up, and for more gameplay videos and for more tutorials like this, do subscribe for more updates. Okay, see you in the next video. Peace out. Take care. I hope you have a great day ahead. Peace out. Bye bye.